The 2024 Sephora Sun Safety Kit is now available at Sephora online. Now, the kit is $39 and has a value of $178, even more than that. This looks absolutely amazing. I'm so excited for this. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. Now, the Sun Safety Kit does sell out, so if you want it now, it's a good time to grab it. A kit containing Sephora's favorite sun care products featuring an array of sunscreen options for safety. Play in the sun. Sephora will donate $25 from the sale of this kit to Memorial Sloan Kettering Cancer Center with a minimum donation of $700,000. So if you like to purchase one today, be sure to add it, and you'll also get 3 free samples before you check out as well. The set will include a 1 ounce 10 milliliter, the Inky List Piloglumatic Acid Dewy Sunscreen SPF 30. A 0.35 ounce 10 milliliter Kai Skin Isle Lip Balm SPF 30. A 0.35 ounce 10 milliliter Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Hydrating Moisturizer SPF 30, a 0.17 ounce 5 milliliter Dr. Jart plus Cicapair Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment SPF 30, 0.8 ounce and 25 milliliter St. Jane Luxury Sun Ritual Pore Smoothing SPF 30, a 0.14 ounce 4 milliliter Isle of Paradise Medium Self Tanning Drops, 0.6 ounce 20 milliliter Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen Mini. I absolutely love that one. 0.24 ounce 7 milliliter Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare All Physical Active Defense Broad Spectrum Sunscreen SPF 50. 0.5 ounce 15 milliliter Paula's Choice Youth Extending Daily Hydrating Fluid SPF 50. 0.24 ounce 7 milliliter Dermalogical Dynamic Skin Recovery SPF 50 Moisturizer. 0.5 ounce 15 milliliter Kiehl Since 1851 Better Screen UV Serum. 0.3 ounce 10 milliliter Innisfree Daily UV. 0.24 ounce 7 milliliter Shiseido Vita Clear. 0.17 ounce 5 milliliter Summer Fridays Shade Drops SPF 30 Mineral Milk Sunscreen. 1 ounce 30 milliliter Fenty Skin Hydra Visor Mineral SPF 30 Moisturizer Travel Size. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.